Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Slack brand kits and approved assets links easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Slack brand kits and approved assets links, start by logging into your Slack account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to make the updates. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Administration from the drop-down menu. Choose Manage Apps from the options available. In the Apps directory, search for the brand kit application. Once you find it, click on the application to open its settings. Look for the option to edit or update the brand kit. Here, you will see the current assets listed. To add a new asset link, click on the Add Link button. Enter the URL of the new approved asset you want to include. Provide a brief description for easy identification. Make sure the link is accurate and accessible to all team members. If you need to edit existing links, click on the edit icon next to the asset. Update the URL or description as needed. Once all updates are complete, click the Save button. Your updated brand kit will now be available for all users in the workspace. To verify the updates, navigate back to the brand kit section. Check that all links are working and descriptions are clear. If everything looks good, you've successfully updated your Slack brand kits and approved assets links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.